So I've looked through. These are obviously the wrong thread. They're not nearly thick enough. But I've looked through the whole box and I can't find anything I need. So I'm gonna put a pause on finding those studs, and I'm gonna try to find the bolt that I need for there. And washers. That's one thing I noticed too. I know that one in there doesn't have a washer. I know this bolt doesn't have a washer. That's the bolt that goes here. And I know they had washers at one point because there's the witness marks on the actual brackets. So, yeah. Like, I don't know if you can tell. Like, you can kind of see it on that one. Like, let me try to zoom in. You can kind of see the mark, like right there, on top of my fingernail. It's kind of like right in there. There's a circular mark. So there was obviously washers on it at one point. Don't really know where they went, but we have drawers full of that stuff, so washers aren't a big worry. That'll take like a few minutes to find. Of course, I'm not gonna be able to find the washer I want, because why would I? But yeah, so this is coming together pretty good. Just the studs, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not really sure at all. But yeah, it's definitely more together than when you guys saw it earlier. And then I don't know what Bobby's doing. We'll get the alternator, we'll get the power steering pump. We'll put all that on, and we'll completely adjust the motor. And then when it comes back from paint and everything, we can drop this baby in. So it's gonna be a solid few, I don't want to say a few months, but it's gonna be a solid couple months, maybe a month or two, because the car's still next door. It hasn't gone to the shop or anything yet. So yeah, hopefully, because I can't wait to fire this thing up. Because I mean, it sucks that it's an automatic, but yeah, if it was manual, it'd be cool. But I do really like your car, Bill, and your engine. This light blue. I like the light blue better than that. But yeah, so just keep chugging along on this.